Hello kids, how are you all? Hope all of you are doing well. Do you know आज हम क्या चैप्टर करने वाले हैं? My new yellow raincoat. This is chapter number 8. So it is about the raincoat which a boy wants to wear and his parents have bought it for him. So before starting with the chapter, as usual, we will be doing the warm-up. Bring 2 small plastic bowls and a plastic dropper from home. So what you have to bring? 2 plastic bowls and a plastic dropper. अगर आपके घर कोई भी छोटा बेबी होगा तो वो ड्रॉपर वाली होती है ना bottles. So that dropper also you can bring. Place them on your desk and follow the instructions. Now kids, what you have to do is from your bottle pour a little water into one bowl. आपको क्या करना है, अपनी बॉटल में से pour a little water, थोड़ा सा पानी निकालना है एक बोल में. Next, fill some water in the dropper. Now see, if this is one bowl and this is the another bowl, just a moment, kids. Yes. So what I was saying, if this is one bowl and this is the another bowl, so in one bowl you have to pour some water. And if this is a dropper, तो आपको इस ड्रॉपर में भी थोड़ा सा पानी भरना है. Fill some water in the dropper. Then in a slow manner use the dropper to pour out the water into the second bowl. अब आपको क्या करना है, इस ड्रॉपर से जो पानी इस बोल में है वो आप कहाँ डालेंगे? You will put it in the second bowl. Is it clear? Counting the number of drops. This may take several attempts. अब आप क्या करेंगे, जो ड्रॉपर है अब उससे आप फ्रॉम दैट ड्रॉपर आप एक एक करके इसमें पानी डालते जाएंगे और वो ड्रॉप्स आपको काउंट करनी है. तो बहुत सारी ड्रॉप्स हो जाएंगी, सेवरल ड्रॉप्स. हाउ मेनी ड्रॉप्स कुड यू काउंट? तो आपसे क्या पूछा जा रहा है कि आप कितनी ड्रॉप्स काउंट कर पा रहे हैं. So water everywhere. So try to do this activity. I am confident that you will be enjoying it. Now see the second picture. Look at the pictures. Write the name of the seasons from the box. So all of you know there are 4 seasons. So which season is this? Oh, a boy is eating ice cream and this is a sunny day. So this is none other than summer. So what you will be writing over here? Summer. Clear kids? Oh, there is a small little girl with the umbrella in her hand and the raindrops are falling. So this is monsoon. Water everywhere. I like the season a lot. I hope you also like it. The third one, the wind is blowing, the flowers are there. So this is spring. This is another beautiful season. Kids, all the seasons are very good. And the best part is that we live in India where we can see all the seasons. In many countries, all the 4 seasons are not there. So we are the privileged ones. And in this, see a girl, she's wearing a jacket, then a cap, and all her hands, legs, everything is covered. So cool winter. Clear kids? Now moving to the chapter. Milan has got a new raincoat. He gets a chance to wear it or not. Read the story to find it. So this story is all about the raincoat which Milan has got. So whether he will get a chance to wear it or not. उसको chance मिलेगा raincoat पहनने का? देखते हैं. On Sunday, Milan's parent got him a yellow raincoat. किस कलर का रेनकोट लेकर आए मिलन के लिए उसके पेरेंट्स? येलो कलर का. इट इज अ येलो कलर रेनकोट. रेनकोट सबको पता है ना, पूरा का पूरा एक पूरा कवर होता है दैट यू कैन वेयर जब बारिश आती है. मॉम, मे आई वेयर इट नाउ? आस्क्ड ही. क्या पूछता है कि मम्मा क्या मैं ये पहन सकता हूँ? नो माई डियर, द रेन्स आर नियर बट जस्ट नाउ द स्काई इज क्लियर, सेड मॉम. तो मॉम ने क्या कहा? अभी नहीं बेटा, अभी बारिशें अभी स्टार्ट नहीं हुई हैं बट होने वाली है. राइट नाउ द स्काई इज क्लियर. इट वॉज ब्राइट एंड सनी ऑन मंडे. तो मंडे को कैसा था? ब्राइट एंड sunny. Monday was bright and sunny. Bright क्या होता है? जब सूरज निकला होता है. The sun is shining. Will it rain today, mommy? asked Milan. He was very excited to wear the raincoat. So he asked, Mama, आज बारिश होगी क्या? No, my dear, not today. If you wear your raincoat, you will look quite funny, said Mom. Mom ने क्या बोला कि अगर आज रेनकोट पहनोगे तो बहुत फनी लगोगे क्योंकि बारिश तो है ही नहीं. So no need to wear the raincoat. On Tuesday the sky was blue. Tuesday sky कैसा था? Blue. Mom, when will my wish come true? asked Milan. Milan ने क्या बोला? अरे मुझे रेनकोट पहनना है, मैं कब पहन पाऊंगा? Not today, my dear. There is just one white cloud in the sky, said she. फिर क्या बोला मामा ने? आज तो बस एक छोटा सा मुझे क्लाउड दिख रहा है और कुछ भी नहीं है. That too white in color. Wednesday was hot. Wednesday was hot. बहुत गर्मी थी Wednesday. So Monday it was bright and sunny. On Tuesday the sky was blue and there was a white cloud and Wednesday was hot. Ma, why doesn't it rain? asked he. Means he want to wear the raincoat and it was not raining. बारिश हो ही नहीं रही थी. तो उसने पूछा कि बारिश क्यों नहीं हो रही है मामा? Son, I think it will rain very soon. क्या बोला मामा ने? बेटा मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत जल्द बारिश हो जाएगी. Maybe even before it is noon, said Mom. क्या बोला मामा ने? कि हो सकता है कि दिन से पहले ही बारिश हो जाए, मुझे ऐसा लगता है. On Thursday, Milan went on a picnic. मिलन कहाँ चला गया थर्सडे को? पिकनिक पर. Mom, what if it rains? उसने अपनी मामा को बोला कि अगर वहाँ बारिश हो गई तो? Shall I take the raincoat with me? asked he. तो क्या मैं अपने साथ अपना रेनकोट लेकर चला जाऊं? उसने पूछा. No, my dear, it will not rain today. The little white clouds are too high in the sky, said she. मामा ने फिर क्या बोला? No, my dear, नहीं मेरे प्यारे बेटे, it will not rain today. आज बारिश नहीं होगी. The little white clouds are too high. बहुत ऊंचाई पर हैं ये जो clouds हैं, बादल हैं. Friday was cloudy. So finally, clouds किस दिन आए? Friday वाले दिन. माँ, will it rain today? asked Milan loudly. उसने जोर से पूछा अपनी मम्मा से, मम्मा क्या आज बारिश होगी? It might, my dear. There are some dark clouds low down in the sky, said Mom. तो मामा ने क्या बोला? हो सकता है बेटा कि आज बारिश हो जाए. Why? Because there are some dark clouds. किस टाइप के clouds हैं? बहुत dark काले काले बादल हैं. Low down in the sky. नीचे नीचे आ गए हैं sky में. Said Mom. Saturday began with a bang. Friday it was cloudy और Saturday को क्या हो गया? Bang, bang, ba-doom. What is that? Means it started raining heavily. Mom, is that thunder I hear? So it was thundering, lightning. So उसने पूछा मम्मा क्या ये it is thundering? वो ये जो आवाज़ें आ रही हैं. Will it rain very soon? asked he. उसने पूछा कि क्या बारिश होने वाली है? See, before the rain starts, many a times you can hear the voice of clouds, thundering of clouds, lightning. And then at last it started raining. और फिर क्या हुआ? बारिश स्टार्ट हो गई. Oh, it's raining, sang Milan, running out. So he was so happy. वो बाहर चला गया कि अरे ये तो बारिश हो रही है. I'm so happy. But dear son called Mom, running after him. You forgot your raincoat. तभी उसकी मम्मा उसके पीछे पीछे भागी और बोला, बेटा आप एक चीज़ तो भूल ही गए हो, आपका रेनकोट. So kids, have you understood? One thing I just forgot to tell you. Can you see this picture? He is moving out and Mama is having the raincoat. And which was that day? Which was that day finally when it began to rain? It was Saturday. And there are few word meanings, but before that just tell me whether you like the chapter or not. It was a nice chapter, isn't it? So it shows how excited the boy was for the rains, how eagerly he wanted to wear his raincoat and eagerly waiting for the rain to come. Word meaning. Raincoat, what is that? Waterproof clothes worn in rain. जब बारिश आती है तो हम waterproof clothes पहनते हैं, that is called a raincoat. Quiet means fairly. Loudly means बहुत जोर से, noisingly. Noise. Bright, shiny. Funny, amusing. जिसको देखकर हमें हंसी आती है, that is funny. So now we will be doing the comprehension part. What was the color of the Milan's raincoat? Yes, it was yellow. On Monday it was, Monday कैसा था? Monday was bright and sunny. When it started raining, Milan ने क्या किया? Went out but forgot to wear his raincoat. Is it clear, kids? Now after that, fill in the blanks. Milan's, there is a blank, got him her new raincoat. कौन लेकर आया? Parents. So Milan's parents got him a new raincoat. Clear? On Tuesday, sky was, Tuesday कैसा था sky? Sky was blue. It rains on Saturday. Saturday was the day when the wait of Milan was over. और मिलन को क्या मिला? रेनकोट पहनने के लिए. मिलन went on, कहाँ पर गया था? पिकनिक. There also, वहाँ पर भी उसने पूछा था, अगर बारिश हो गई तो मम्मा क्या मैं रेनकोट लेकर जा सकता हूँ? He was so desperate to wear his raincoat. Now coming to the next one. Say if the given statement is true or false. Milan raincoat was black. Was it black? No ways. It was yellow. On Tuesday, it was bright and sunny. It was blue. Milan went to a fair. He went to the fair. No, he went to a picnic. Milan wore his raincoat when the rain starts. Yes, it is true. So that's it for the chapter and that's it for today. I hope all of you liked and enjoyed the chapter and understood the comprehension part. So that's it for today, kids. Bye, take care and have a nice day.